At the beginning of the week, 42 international chefs arrived, and all week long they've been learning about the awesome Washington potato. Well, now here's the culmination of that week, where all these chefs are cooking with our very own Washington potato. Let's check it out. The chefs are being challenged to create a unique dish using different forms of potatoes, such as dehydrated and frozen, which many of them have not worked with before.
The thing that I've learned the most, that impressed me the most, is the dehydrated potato, which is what I'm going to be using today to cook. I never thought it could be used in so many, let's say, techniques,
Right.
and not thinking of just like fast food or cafeteria,
Gotcha.
which impressed me a lot.
They're so used to working with the fresh produce, so they were not so familiar with using frozen potatoes or dehydrated potatoes.
Gotcha.
So it was an eye-awakening opportunity for them to see that those processed products are actually made from fresh, top-quality U.S. raw potatoes.
So now people from Mexico knows that dehydrated potatoes comes from real potato.
Right, like the dehydrated potatoes that are, gotcha,
Yes.
understood.
So that the potatoes don't lose the nutrition benefits.
Sanpei.
Sanbei, and so that's a traditional Taiwanese dish?
Yes.
Is this going to be different now that you're going to be using a Washington potato?
Yes,
Is it going to be better?
but much better.
So would you give Washington potatoes your seal of approval? You like them?
Yeah, I like it. Yeah, very much.
Awesome, thank you. Get to work.
Okay.
So do you have a greater appreciation for potatoes now that you're going back to Mexico?
Yes, of course. So we will try to convey messages that potatoes are very good for daily basis.
Especially the Washington ones, right?
Washington potatoes.